Question 1. What's your favorite color of clothes? My favorite color of clothes is definitely blue. I find it to be a versatile and calming color. Blue clothing complements various styles and occasions, and I feel comfortable and confident when wearing it. Whether it's a casual day out or a more formal setting, you'll often find me in shades of blue. Question 2. What kind of clothes do you never wear? I typically avoid wearing overly bright and flashy clothes. I prefer more subtle and neutral tones that align with my personal style. While I appreciate vibrant colors on others, I find that I feel more comfortable and authentic in clothing with more muted and understated hues. It's just a matter of personal preference for me. Question 3. What kind of clothes do you usually wear? I usually opt for casual and comfortable clothing in my day-to-day life. You'll often find me in jeans or khakis paired with a simple t-shirt or a button-down shirt, depending on the occasion. Comfort is a priority for me, but I also like to add a touch of personal style. On more formal occasions, I might choose business casual attire, like a collared shirt and trousers. Overall, my clothing choices reflect a balance between comfort and a casual, yet put-together look. Question 4. Do you wear the same style of clothes on weekdays and weekends? My choice of clothing does vary between weekdays and weekends. On weekdays, especially if I have work or other commitments, I tend to opt for more business casual attire. This might include collared shirts and trousers. On weekends, when I have more flexibility and often engage in leisure activities, I lean towards casual wear. Jeans or shorts paired with comfortable t-shirts or casual shirts are my go-to choices for a relaxed weekend style. I enjoy the opportunity to express my personal style more casually during my free time.